Script Assistant. Right now it's a proof of concept. Clay I can mold to fit different workflows. It could be used for product demos, training videos, adding subtitles, even translations. In this video, I will use its free local transcription and Claude API to help mine key moments and form overall narrative from pre-recorded audio-video files. Let me show you how it works by using it to build this video. The left panel just has activity log and list of transcribed files. And the right panel is where you load the project and see real-time transcription output. First, let's load in a seed transcription I made to begin the process of making the video you are watching right now. Meta, right? Kind of feels like time traveling? The local Faster Whisper transcription is using CUDA to leverage my RTX 3090 GPU, but you can run on CPU as well, it's just slower. Now I've loaded in all of the transcriptions for the video clips I've recorded so far, so that we can dive into the main functions in the center panel. Full transcript. This view shows the full script from all the video files combined. I can click through on each file to zoom in. And then I can click on the play button for each clip and it will play the snippet in an external viewer. Wait, if you're reading this, you're already in the future, which means it worked. The rest of the tabs I will demo require a Claude API key for AI function. You can choose your model size, your processing device, CPU or GPU, your language, and these are some advanced Fast Whisper settings. Depending on your hardware setup, you can choose a faster or a more powerful model. Key moments. I've went ahead and clicked the Analyze Transcripts button and it sent the transcript to Claude AI for analysis. Claude reads through everything and picks out a few interesting moments, like when you got something working, like a milestone, when you had an aha moment, an insight, and when you explain something clearly, an explanation. And there's other tags too. Each moment gets a title, a summary, and an importance score. And then you can click the play button to actually play the clip. Okay, now we have the summary, script, and chapters tab, which I'm going to run through a little bit quickly because they're a little bit half-baked at this point. But you give it a YouTube title and a duration, and then it's going to build out a summary, script, and chapter for you. I've already built out a summary. It did a pretty good job. And then the script as well. It did its best based on all the files that I gave it, building out a full script for the YouTube video. Again, this is a little bit half-baked. It's okay. It's usable, but we need to work on this some more. And then we have the chapters feature, which goes through and analyzes and tries to make you a chapter list for your YouTube video. And there we go. You saw that happen in real time. All right, LLM chat. Well, I think we saved the best for last here. This feature is kind of RAG light. By RAG, I mean Retrieval Augmented Generation, which if you aren't familiar, it uses user-specific context awareness to give more relevant results. Anyway, you can see we've asked it a couple of questions here, like, what file did I talk about the scripts feature in? And that actually sends it off to Claude using the API and comes back and tells me the exact timestamp and the exact video file where I talked about it, the exact quotes. And then this is the killer part. At the end, I said, okay, can you generate a great ending for this video clip? And I think it did. And in the next segment, I'm going to actually close out the video by reading this clip. So that's Script Assistant. We started with an empty transcript, and now you're reading the whole thing. Every feature you just saw, transcription, key moments, summaries, chapters, and AI chat, all built using the tool itself. This transcript, it captured everything, including this moment right now. If you made it this far, you've already seen the loop close. The bootstrap worked. The demo documented itself. And that's the point. Your footage becomes searchable, your ideas become findable, your workflow becomes actually kind of fun. Script Assistant. Turn your videos into knowledge you can work with. Now go transcribe something. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and maybe it gave you some ideas or inspired you to find ways to leverage some of these tools to solve problems in your business.